and gentlemen, Highway 83 Suzuki, Miller High Life, we're back. Another new video for our YouTube channel. 1995 through 98 Geo Tracker Suzuki Sidekick soft top installation. We're going to show you how to install your brand new soft top. You know, we tear it out of the package, and you know these plastic pieces I keep telling you about that are so delicate. We're going to show you a couple techniques to make sure you don't break them and get your top on safe and secure. We'll be right back. Yeah. All right, so let's go over the parts we got real quick. With our vampire cape here, we got Rampage soft top. Pick this up on Amazon. You can also buy them on eBay. There's different options, tinted windows, all that great stuff. So pick the one you like. So we got our Rampage top. There's other brands, but I've had good luck with this. So I like this brand. You're gonna need the metal frame for the top that folds up and back. You're gonna need the front bow, back bow, which gives the square shape in the back. All the super expensive $1 million plastic trim that I've been showing you guys how to make. So thank you guys for buying the plastic trim. This old Black Betty's got all the original equipment, so we're gonna show you how to be very delicate, very gentle, and putting it on there. That is basically the parts you're gonna need to put on the soft top. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our top, but like I've mentioned in other videos, you wanna make sure it's a very hot, sunny day, or in our case, this top has been on there for a while, so it's already stretched out and it fits very well. But if it's brand new top, make sure it's 80, 90 degrees, or put a heater in your garage or something. Let this baby bake in the sun. You wanna make sure she's stretched out, because they do come a little taut, you know what I'm saying, a little tight. So we're gonna grab our top. This is doing a one-man job, so we're gonna grab it. We're gonna sling her up and over the vehicle. Now I like to start, now there are different ways to do it, but I'm gonna show you the way that I normally do it. So if you do it a different way, that's great, but this is how I do it. And you're probably watching the vehicle because you've never done it before. So we got our top slung up and over. Now I like to start by taking our metal channel and sliding the front of the top in there. There's gonna be these snaps, 5 snaps across the top. Now I should mention on these snaps, I like to put a little bit of candle wax or even a touch of grease, some sort of lubricant on the snaps so that they snap on and off over the years very easily. So now I'm gonna move to the driver's side of the vehicle and slip the top on the metal channel over there. Okay, so we're gonna slide the front on there. Just get it loosely snug, and then we're gonna go to the back and get our bow up. Now the bow has the 5 snaps as well, and the top has 5 snaps sewn into the back of the top. So we're just gonna get our bow positioned up, and we're gonna get a couple snaps in place, and that means we're gonna have the top kind of holding on its own. So this actually comes up and over the top, around, and she's probably losing me on the camera there, but boom, snaps there, and snaps there. Okay, so that's we just got it positioned now, and now we're gonna take a quick break, get to a different camera angle, and show you the next step. Hey, what's going on, guys? We're back. That's right. All right, we're back to the inside of the video. I want to point out some of the stuff that you want to have in place at this time. So we're going to take this flap here, and there's 2 snaps next to the dome light. We're going to take the 2 snaps and attach them right here. Remember to lubricate those snaps all the way around. We attached all 5 on the rear bowl. There's these 2 flaps that come up and over the targa bar. They have Velcro. You want to make sure that they're in position. They're going to end up wrapping around this front bowl, but for right now I just leave them loose. And then up here you're going to have 2 tension straps that are, a lot of times they like to get tucked up in here. You want to have these just draping down for right now. So we're going to move on to the next step outside the vehicle. We'll be right back. Just quick little Miller High Life sip. Okay, we're back at it. So here we are. We got the top pretty much loosely on there. Now we're gonna fold back our front frame again. At this point, you can snap all 5 snaps. You really could do it in the beginning if you want, but I still like to leave everything loose. So all 5 snaps are tight. We're gonna fold it back. Now we're gonna have our camera woman come around to the other side. At this point, I like to take the folding Velcro, because this folding the top back created more slack, so now we can fold our Velcro on there, tighten that, and now we get to the most important part, is now we have the slack to take the plastic piece here that goes up and underneath the delicate trim. So we're gonna take that, we're gonna put her up and underneath. She's tucked under. I'm gonna do the other side as well real quick, and then we're ready. So now we're locked underneath there, nice tight on both sides, but we have slack. So now this is the most important part, that this is where you test out how new your top is. So we're gonna slowly close the front, and as we're closing this, now this is putting the pressure right here. This is where people are gonna snap your top or your plastics. So when this was brand new, it would only go this far before I felt uncomfortable about breaking the plastic. So what I did was I had it out in the sun, and I took a couple 2x4s and just laid them across there and just let it for an hour. Just the weight of it slowly started creeping down until it finally closed. This one, like I said, has been on and off for the last month or so. We stretched it out, it fits perfectly. So this one, you can just close down. But like I said again, can't stress it enough, do not reef this down or you will blow out the plastics. And that's what most people do. And when they're inexperienced, then they find out how much these pieces cost. So nice and gentle, like I said, put some weight on here, very lightweight, and let it naturally fall down. Otherwise, now you can close it. You can take your latch from the inside, and if you had a hard top, or if you've never used one, it just clips up there and then it clips down. So now you can have that. Now we're gonna move on to showing you about this tension. This is the only part of the Rampage top I have had bad luck with. This tension strap, you can attach this at different points, but this goes through this little loop here. I'll open this back up so it's easier to see. Now at this goes through here to put tension on the soft top in the middle section, but where they installed the snap here, it's too far apart and it's too tight. And if you try and have this snapped and put the back end, you're gonna break the back plastic every time. So what I'm gonna do is, from Walmart or a craft store, you can buy these snaps and the tool to put it in. I'm gonna move this snap to up here, which will be able to snap it with less tension, and it'll keep the firmness in the center of the top, but not too much that it pulls and breaks the back. So this is the only part of the Rampage that I have had bad luck with. Not the end of the world, you know what I'm saying? Still a very good top for the price. So now we're snapped in the front, our backs are on. If you wanted to drive like this, you could. This is safari style, no windows, no back window, no side windows. This is actually my favorite way to ride. No sun beating on me, you know what I'm saying? I'm feeling good. So now we're getting to side windows and back windows. Let me go grab those and we'll slap them in. Ah, yeah. Sup? Peep the tint. We got that black tint on this thing. So yeah, I know you like it. So we're gonna show you how to zip in these side windows. So what I like to start with is the zipper. Again, other people might tell you different. There's no right or wrong way really, but this is the way I like to do. So the zipper starts up here. I like to catch, I think she might have to come to the other side of me, but I like to catch the zipper and just get the zipper started. Just get it started. See how it's like an inch long? Now from there, we're gonna go over to here, and you see this notch on the plastic? This notch goes to that notch. Boom, 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 boom. So now we're gonna tuck it up and under. Nice and easy, you don't wanna get nasty on that plastic. So now we're tucked under. Now I'm gonna run the zipper a little bit further, and now you got a channel on the bottom as well. So now we're gonna tuck our bottom channel in. The zipper's still loose, so we got enough play. Bottom's tucked under. Oh yeah, now we're gonna keep working that zipper. Work the zipper all the way down to the bottom, baby. Now we can tuck her all the way in. We got Velcro up top. Slide her under. Whoop. Velcro on the back. Ah. And then you just push up under there, make sure you're all good. Boom, side windows in, do the same thing on the other side. Now we're getting to the back window, which nobody knows how to work, you know? A lot of guys are like, I buy these, it's just flapping around because people don't even know what they're missing. I should have pointed these parts out in the beginning, but hey, it's never too late. So we got 2 brackets that go in the back here. Bracket on each end, which sometimes are missing. 95 through 96 are going to be made of aluminum. Burly bastards. Those will be there. 97 through 98, they cheaped out, made them out of plastic. They snap off like twigs. Now you got an aluminum bar. This is the aluminum bar. This is critical. You don't got this, you're in deep. You know what I'm saying? So now the back window has this little piping in here. This actually slides into the bar. Again, sometimes I put a little lubricant, Dawn dish soap down in there so that this slides just like you're seeing, nothing gets stuck. So now the next part, you see this channel here? This slides into this bracket right here. On these brackets, I've been working on building our own over at 83. So you'll be seeing these soon, making these all out of metal. So they'll replace your broken ones. So now this piece here again slides over there. So if you can see this at all, this goes in, see that? And it slides down. Okay, so that you got to start on the right hand side, and I'll show you why now. So now you're on the left hand side, and you see how this clip has a little locking plastic? Well, this one just pushes in, and now you lock down. Now the bar's in there. So now your back window, the aluminum bar is holding it tight and down. And it has a gasket on the bottom here. So when you close your tailgate, it seals it up. So now your window's down. The only thing left to do is put your zipper in. Get your zipper in, zipper up, run her along. Again, put some candle wax on your zippers to keep them nice. And then you got more Velcro down there, Velcro down there, Velcro down there. Grab your High Life, give her a little, oh yeah. So now your top's on, your Rampage, your Smitty built, your best top. I mean, we can go on and on about brand names of tops. Pick the top you like. Whatever you want to do, and this hopefully will help you to install it without breaking those plastic pieces that are oh so valuable. You know what I'm talking about? If you need the replacements back here, Highway 83 Suzuki, we got the video that you can make your own or order them off our online store, highway83suzuki.com. If you have any questions, message in the comments section of this video. We'll answer back as soon as possible. Otherwise, hey, we did it again. Thank you guys for watching. It's Miller time, baby. See you next time.